Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that.
Period. That's $1,000 for this camera. A girl about to get a camera, y'all. About to get this camera. This gonna be mine in about 5 minutes.
That you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Thank you for tuning into today's video. I'm so glad you're here because I kind of did something. So as you can tell by the title, I bought my very first camera. I have been filming on multiple iPhones. I had my 8 Plus, then I moved up to my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and now I just bought my very first camera. So before we go ahead and unbox this camera, I do want to share with you guys that I went into the store thinking I was going to come out with a Canon and came out with a Sony. I got Sony ZV1. I went in wanting the Canon M50 because that's what I seen that a lot of the other YouTubers were using, and as I was doing my research, that's what stuck out to me the most. But I came out with a Sony and I realized that it's actually really good for what I'm looking for. Initially, I wanted the M50 because I also wanted to take pictures with it, aside from, you know, filming and vlogging and things like that. I wanted the M50 for those purposes, but I came out with the Sony, and I decided to get the Sony because it's also very good for like product shots and things like that. Hopefully I will make a separate video on me testing everything out, but I did want to share with you guys that we are moving up. We have bought an actual camera, and I did go into Best Buy to get this camera, and they were very helpful and helped me throughout the entire process. Despite the fact that we are in the middle of a pandemic, it was the best option for me to go in store and purchase this camera because I did not want to order it and spend all the hundreds and hundreds of dollars on this camera and then hear that it's not coming, or to be disappointed with the arrival dates and things like that. I just wanted to go in, get the camera, and get out, and that's exactly what I did. Well, I did go in and get something else, but I'm really happy with the choice that I made. I know that Best Buy is an authorized seller. I know that I wasn't buying anything this wasn't made by Sony, as opposed to like ordering off of Amazon or ordering off of like Walmart, to where there's multiple types of this camera and I waste money. So it was definitely the best option for me to go in person, grab the camera, and get out. I also came out with some other accessories for the camera. I purchased a case for the camera, a memory card, a tripod, and just like a car stand thing so I can like vlog in the car and things like that. So there's a lot coming on this channel, so stay with me, stick with me as we embark on this new journey. This is a camera that is made specifically for content creators and for vlogging, and for, it's like made for YouTube, basically, for us YouTubers, new and, you know, professional and advanced YouTubers. So I just feel like it's also like the best option for me. We did try out, like, they had some features. The camera has features to where you can, like, for product shots, and it was so cool how I had a lip gloss with me in the store, and I just held it up to the camera in the store, and it would just like focus right away and things like that. So that sold me, honestly, when I went to purchase this camera. So the first thing that I decided to pick up alongside the camera is this case. It fits perfectly with the camera. We actually tried to fit it in there while we were in the store before I walked out with it. I believe this was $12, but it's really cute and compact, super small. It can fit inside of my purse, and I can just bring my camera with me any and everywhere I go. The next thing that I picked up alongside the camera and the case is a memory card. I knew I was gonna need one because it's a lot of footage that doesn't even make it on YouTube, just to have on the with me, and just like not on the camera on YouTube or anything like that. I picked up a 128 gigabytes memory card. So while I was there, I had picked up this Joby tripod beforehand, but I didn't notice that it's meant for the GoPro when I had bought it. So I picked up this mount adapter, and this is supposed to go on top of this so that my camera can screw right on top of it, and I can use this tripod for my camera. But I was also using this vlogger kit with the camera, and they said that if I purchased this with my camera, it would reduce my price of everything by $100. So I just figured, why not? It does have like photo and movie mode on here, and it is like the vlogger kit. I think they said that it has a memory card as well with this in here. So I just got this, just get $100 off, and I get an extra tripod, so why not? All right, so now for the grand finale, the camera, the Sony ZV1 digital camera for content creating. Here it came in this really small box. When they pulled it out, me myself, I was like, this is it? Like, what? So crazy. But this is the box that it came in. Alright, you guys, so let's get into this camera. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is how small and compact the box came, and the first thing that you're going to see when you open it is your manuals and just instructions on how to use the camera. The second thing that you're going to see in that little corner is like this little fuzzy thing, and it's just supposed to go on top of the camera to help reduce noises when you're filming. And I believe a lot of people also call it like the wind muff. People who do like film and stuff like that, that's what the name is. But this is also a battery that came with the camera. Super glad about this because I didn't think it was going to come with the battery nor a charger to charge the camera. A lot of the times they would just sell you just the camera. You have to purchase like all the little accessories on its own. And then here, of course, is the camera, the Sony ZV1. Super small, but great, super great quality. On the top of the camera, you're going to find like the on and off button. And then like once you turn it on, the little lens thing is going to zoom out. It has a screen that goes to the right of the camera. It's not right directly on top. So that kind of makes it hard to film. But I'm so glad because the quality, I'm not mad because the quality on this camera is just so great. But yeah, I was struggling to turn it on and stuff like that. But we're going to just skip that part and we're going to jump over to the vlogger kit / tripod. So once you open it, it also has like manuals, and it's in another box, which didn't make sense to me. But it came in like this bag, and it had like its own separate like case thing that you put in it, and then like this little battery that goes into the tripod to turn it on. But the tripod itself is really simple to use. It has a record button, a capture button for like pictures, just like to hold it and like take your pictures on it. And then it has like adjustments, and then of course it stands. That's it for the unboxing. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. That concludes this video, you guys. We now have a camera. Goodbye to the iPhone quality. It wasn't bad, it just we need to upgrade. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Truly appreciate it. Stick with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your post notifications so every time I upload you will not miss it. Thank you guys again. See you in the next one.